This is Sophie. She's a foreign student living in the Netherlands and is currently living at a student home. She is studying architecture, working in an agency, and taking dance lessons. Sophie is a busy lady. She is always finding ways to save time and be more efficient, and therefore she loves the Facilitee app. Last week, her window was broken in her dorm room, and with 3 simple steps, she reported this issue to her property manager, Blue Star. At Blue Star, service desk employee David receives the issue in real time, including all necessary documentation and videos added by Sophie. David reviews and approves the request and chooses a specialist who can fix the problem for Sophie. Specialist Harry accepts the request and makes an appointment with Sophie directly in the Facilitee app. The next day, Harry fixed the problem and leaves Sophie's room with a brand new window installed, leaving Sophie behind as a satisfied tenant. Sophie rates the issue, and both Blue Star as well as Harry can see real-time how she evaluated the fix. Real estate owners and management companies across Europe are rapidly discovering the benefits of Facilitee, while increasing margins and tenant satisfaction. Contact Facilitee and book a demo to see how everyone at your student facilities can benefit.